Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix Snapchat notification not working on iOS 18. So, if you have upgraded your iPhone to iOS 18 and you discover that your Snapchat notification is not working, each time you have notifications on your Snapchat, you fail to receive the notifications on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to fix Snapchat notification not working on iPhone iOS 18 is first make sure you turn on notification for Snapchat. So, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down and then click on Snapchat. Once you click on Snapchat, locate and click on notifications. Then you can see I have my notifications turned off. In this case, my Snapchat notification is not going to work. Now to fix this, just turn on allow notifications. And then once turned on allow notifications, you can just exit this page. Now again, go to your Snapchat app and then open it. Now once open the Snapchat application, click on the Bitmoji at the top left. Then this will take you to your Snapchat settings page. On the settings page, locate and click on settings at top right. Then here, you want to scroll down to notifications under settings. Now, once you selected that, you want to turn on the notifications you want to receive on your iPhone. Here you can see I only have friends suggestions notification turned on. So if you want to receive any notifications from Snapchat on your iPhone, then make sure you toggle on the notification you want to receive. And once that is toggled on, then your Snapchat will notify you each time you have a notification on your iPhone. And if you go back to your iPhone screen, if you have any notifications already, then you should have the badge on the Snapchat icon just like this. See that? So that is basically what you need to do when you want to fix Snapchat notification not working on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.